it's time for Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry...
All right, so before we start on our actual hot chocolate, we're gonna make some homemade Cool Whip. So I'm going to take a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. You can definitely, instead of making your own, you could have bought your own or bought it, you know, but I prefer to just make it myself. And we're gonna take 1/4 of a cup of Swerve confectioner sugar. I just seen recently that Lakanto has their own as well. I know Swerve's a little bit cheaper, but it is the powdered sugar alternative. And then we're going to just whip this up together. Alright, so here is our Cool Whip. Just want to make sure it's, you know, basically Cool Whip texture. Cool Whip. Be much Family Guy. Anyways, so I'm just going to just throw this in the fridge while we're getting our hot chocolate together. But this is literally going to be the longest part of this video, is making the Cool Whip. So Cool Whip is ready. Next on to the hot chocolate. All right, so we are going to be making 3 different kinds of hot chocolate. First up is going to be this peppermint white chocolate. These are the CHOC Zero chocolate chips. CHOC Zero is my absolute favorite. You could use Lily's, but Lily's gives me a little stomach issue. But I love me some CHOC Zero. These are the holiday peppermint white chocolate. I thought how convenient for the holidays. This is going to be so good. So yeah, we're going to do 1 cup of peppermint white chocolate. We're going to do 1 cup of traditional milk chocolate. Again, using the CHOC Zero. I do have a discount code down below, so if you guys wanted to get your hands on any of the CHOC Zero stuff, go ahead and use it, save yourself some money. But yes, we got milk chocolate. And then lastly, just plain old white chocolate. So this is gonna be so simple. I hope you guys are here for it, because it's gonna go by pretty quick. I'm gonna show you what you're about to do. So you're gonna need whatever chocolate you're using. You're gonna need a milk frother. You guys have seen me use this when I make my coffee in the morning. You can get these on Amazon. You can get them at the Target. They everywhere. Super easy to use. You're gonna need one of those. You're gonna need some cups, right? So I got 1 for each. These are our holiday ones. These are from the Walnut Room, Chicago, and they have a little tree on them. Really cute, super festive. You're gonna need 1/4 of a cup measuring. You're gonna need 1 cup measuring cup, and I'm gonna use some unsweetened almond milk. Sorry about that. Unsweetened almond milk right here. This is the vanilla almond milk. This is the Organics brand, you know, because we bougie like that. So this is what we're going to do, okay? Super simple. You could use unsweetened cocoa, and then you would use some sweetener of your choice, but we're gonna use the chocolate chips. So this is what we're gonna do. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chocolate chips. These are the white chocolate peppermint. These taste like mint melt-aways. If you guys are familiar with Fannie Mae, tastes just like that. Delicious. So here you go. Some nice chocolate. So you're gonna pour those in your cup, okay? So we got 1 peppermint. Here is our chocolate. This is our milk chocolate. We're gonna pour those in a cup. Again, 1/4 of a cup. So 1/4 of a cup of milk chocolate. And then lastly, this is the white chocolate. So in here will be the white chocolate. Okay, so we have peppermint, peppermint white chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 1 cup and our almond milk, and we're going to pour 1 cup of almond milk into each cup. All right, so now you see we have the almond milk, 1 cup of almond milk, 1/4 of the chocolate chips. This is going in the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and nuke these up and I'll be right back. All right, so here is the mint, the peppermint mint, white chocolate. Ooh, look at that. And it's turning green. This is gonna be so cute. So I'm just gonna kind of swirl up the white chocolate at the bottom. You could see down here. So there is the white chocolate, white peppermint chocolate. Here is the traditional milk chocolate. So that one was real hot, so you can see at the bottom. And we're just gonna go ahead and froth that up. Oh man, that looks good. Perfect, 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 perfect. This is gonna be perfect for the holidays. You could add this right along to your eggnog. Christmas morning, kids are opening up presents and you got a hot cup of hot chocolate. You guys can make this bulletproof if you wanted to add some MCT in there. That would be so good as well. So we're just frothing that up. And then here is our white chocolate again. I'm just gonna give that a froth. I'm gonna give everything a quick froth again to make sure it's nice and frothy and warm. I don't know why I said it like that. But you can see, yes, hell yes, hell yes. I'm just kind of frothing the top. So if you just kind of hit the top with it, you'll be all good. Okay. All right, so we have our Cool Whip here.
I farted.
Rebecca. We have our Cool Whip.
Can I try it?
Yes, you can try it. Okay, so white chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Here is our Cool Whip on our milk chocolate.
I gotta be careful with that one because it's little.
So there's that. Beautiful.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
All right, and then lastly is our peppermint white chocolate.
But that's the Cool Whip. I'm gonna try the Cool Whip so bad.
And there you go. What do you think, Ray?
It's good. It looks like.
It's good?
Yeah.
Is it real chocolatey? Yeah? All right. What do you think, Sophie? That's white chocolate. It's good. Couldn't Becky try that one since she doesn't want to try the peppermint?
What do I peppermint?
Okay, well you don't have to try it. You can try the white chocolate, okay? You want to try the white pepper or the peppermint? It's a peppermint white chocolate.
It tastes like peppermint.
That one's good.
How's the white
Better
chocolate?
than this one.
Which one?
This one's better than this one.
You like the white chocolate better than the milk chocolate?
I like white
Try
chocolate.
this one.
It tastes just like a hot white chocolate. But like compared to like the milk, like the hot chocolate you get from like Starbucks or like out of the packet.
It tastes like the what's it called?
Like is it like the Ghirardelli's ones that we had?
This tastes like, oh my god, what is it called at Starbucks? Snickerdoodle hot chocolate. That's what it tastes
Oh,
like.
really? It's good? But it tastes like homemade, like you can tell. How do you like the homemade Cool Whip on there?
It's like Cool Whip.
Yeah? All right, I'm gonna try the peppermint one. Okay, guys. All right, so here is the peppermint white chocolate. I like it, I don't care. It tastes like a mint melt-away, and I love mint melt-aways. So does my dad. My dad will really like this. And I think it's really cute because it is green, you know, like the Grinch. So I thought that was like really fun. So I like it. And these are the walnut room little cups we have. I really like these. All right, so I think all of them are really good. What do you guys think? You like the hot chocolates?
I like these.
You like the white one?
And
And the milk chocolate? All right, Becky likes the milk chocolate and the white chocolate. Which one do you like, Sophie?
white chocolate.
She likes the white chocolate. Rhea liked the milk chocolate but thought the white chocolate was better. Oh, you know, let me try them. I didn't even try them. This one's really good.
Ew.
All right, I'll try this is just the milk chocolate.
Tastes like regular. It's the same.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
Not my favorite. This is really good. Yeah, the milk chocolate, it's okay. Not like my favorite one, not gonna lie to you. But definitely I would do the white chocolate milk chocolate, or white chocolate hot chocolate, and I would do the peppermint white chocolate. These two taste really, really good. That one was like, it's okay. Not my favorite.
I want the white chocolate.
All right, guys. Hot chocolate. Hot. You got it. All right. There you go. Hot chocolate. Easy hot chocolate. Done in less than what? You did 3 glasses in 5 minutes. Can't beat that. Super simple, super keto, super good. And you can totally make this bulletproof by adding MCT oil if you so desired. Link down below for CHOC Zero. Check it out if you would like. If you didn't want to do CHOC Zero, you could definitely do Lily's, but I just, like I said, prefer the CHOC Zero myself. But all right, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. We're doing Vlogmas, going strong. All right, it's looking a lot like Christmas. Bye, guys.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time.